Abraham.
Cheese.
Okay, I took the picture. Guess what Mama Dada got you?
Open the box.
It's your gift. Your Thanksgiving gift.
There's a little piece of paper. What is that?
More Thomas PJ.
Yeah.
It's a warm one so I can sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Popcorns. Hey,
What are those?
hey, give me those. Hey, give me those cookies. Ow.
And that's hot chocolate.
Huh?
That's hot chocolate.
Abraham, look at your slippers.
Dinosaur feet slippers.
You want to put them on?
What do you say to Mama Dada?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You brought them at the store.
Yeah, I bought it for you.
They're so new.
Yeah,
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, this one so I can't get cold.
Yeah, you want to put them on?
So you can stay warm.
Okay. All right.
Abraham, what do you say to Mama Dada?
Thank you.
Say happy Thanksgiving. Look at Puppy.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Say I love you.
I